You have a great deal to atone for to me.
Sound bank selection.
Splinter of the mind, Luke.
He's coming for us. I'm going to kill you, Darth Vader. Ben Kenobi is with me, and the Force is with me too. Too much of a challenge for you.
We have no choice. We have to fight.
Sound bank selection.
Splinter of the mind, Vader.
You have a great deal to atone for to me. Such power in a child. You have blundered badly. I am afraid your slow-witted companions will no longer be able to help you or anyone else, Skywalker. I have been guilty of overconfidence before. I will not be guilty again. Almost, little princess, almost.